Hello everyone, welcome back to my one-stroke flower painting practice series. Today is day 6, and in this video we will practice 10 advanced flowers using the same blue color combination. If you are new to this series, I highly recommend watching day 2 and day 3, where I explain brush handling and double loading and practice different petal strokes. For this lesson, I am using 150 GSM black paper, cobalt blue and light blue acrylic paints. I used a sponge dabber to apply some cobalt blue paint from the palette and gently press it on the black paper to create the base for each flower. I made 10 such bases and allowed them to dry completely before painting the petals. I'm using cobalt blue, light blue, and white for the flowers. And also flat brush number 8, flat brush number 6, deer foot brush number 2, liner brush number 2, cadmium yellow, and raw sienna for the flower centers. Now let's begin with the first flower, by double loading the brush with light blue on one side and cobalt blue on the other side. I gently press the brush and make curved strokes, creating wide petals. Remember to apply pressure and then lift the brush slightly at the end of the stroke. This creates a natural petal shape. Continue adding petals around the flower, slightly overlapping each other. This layering effect gives the flower a full and soft appearance. Once the petals are complete, I add a yellow center using the deer foot brush. The second flower has layered curved petals, giving it a soft blooming effect. The darker blue stays closer to the center, while the lighter blue forms the outer edge. Each petal slightly overlaps the previous one to create a full layered flower. For the third flower, the petals are more upright and slightly closed. Keep the strokes smooth so the flower forms a cup-shaped bloom. This flower has short rounded petals, placed closely together. Continue placing the petals around the center to form a compact round flower. For the fifth flower, the petals are slightly pointed and twisted outward. This gives the flower a decorative star-like appearance. Add a small yellow center to finish the flower. The sixth flower has soft ruffled petals. Start with large outer petals and then gradually add petals around them. The overlapping strokes create a full textured flower. For the seventh flower, the petals are tall and placed closely together. Pull the brush upward to form vertical petals. Continue building layers to create a dense blooming flower. This flower has a rose-like structure. Start with the outer curved petal and slowly wrap the strokes around it. Each petal overlaps slightly, creating a spiral rose effect. For this flower, the petals are irregular and slightly ruffled. Use gentle curved strokes and vary the pressure slightly. If you are new to this series, I recommend watching Day 2 for brush handling and double loading, and Day 3 for petal stroke practice. Finally, the last and 10th flower has many layered thin petals. Practicing flowers with the same color combination helps improve brush control, petal shapes, and layering techniques. Gradually build the petals. Once the petals are finished, add a yellow textured center using the deer foot brush. And that completes our 10 advanced blue flowers for day 6. Thank you so much for watching and practicing with me. I'll see you in the next lesson.